Now what are you doing?
So this is going to be a hanger for, actually grab or show Sacagawea. And her little baby Pomp. I didn't realize that was his nickname, Pomp.
Pomp?
Yeah. So this is going to hang on a wall, and right now it doesn't have anything. I mean, I suppose you could hook a nail onto that, but I'm going to make a little hanger for it out of brass wire, and it'll hang it securely. I'll drill a hole in the back for a screw to attach this. My thought was on the matter was just to make a... I've cleaned the wire up, obviously, with some steel wool.
Wait to pick up a truck.
Oh, that'll be Matt. All right. Serenaded dogs. These shear the wire off pretty squarely, as opposed to diagonal cutters that pinch the wire off and it comes out kind of sharp.
Oh yeah.
So I'm gonna actually solder these together, trying not to touch the area too much. Looks pretty good. I think it's touching good enough. So, with that being done, go over here and hit it with some flux, which just keeps it clean during the heating process. And
let's see.
This is silver solder of sorts that is a color match for brass, so it's really cool. But I like to clean up any oxidization off of it before I use it. I'm going to put a generous amount because it's going to actually fill some of the void. That, as silver solder goes, is a lot. Hopefully that will share to both sides, otherwise I'll have to touch it with the stick here. Yeah, I got it a little bit on both sides of the wire where the two ends meet. And looks like it went just about where I wanted it to. Amazing. And that's the pickle. It's an acid wash that cleans off all the carbon and junk. When it comes out of there, you give it a minute to sort things out, and it'll come out just yellow like brass. Oh, it's just a hard thing to get a grip on. So anyway, it's just kind of pink. So now I'll just pick through and find a screw that fits that little hole. It's a nice one. I love brass. This looks like a good spot for it there. I'm drilling a pilot hole in it. Stop before I get to Sacagawea. What I like to do with this squirrel is, where did my little candle go?
That's just a regular candle?
Yeah, just paraffin. I'm not sure if I drilled my pilot hole deep enough. that's good. You can screw a little bit, clean it up. Pretty good. That'll do it. So, this little hanger. Shaving haircut.